Kitengela has become one of the most sought after area for real estate investment. Today, I'm taking you for a house visit for one of the houses within Kitengela area in a prime location that is offering just what you need if you want to retire early. So this is a 4-bedroom house with an extra room that goes for Kenya shillings 16 million. It's built on a compound of 50 by 100, so ensuring that give you that extra space within this unit. So we're gonna start with a parking lot because this is where I feel like the developer has done quite amazing. In this parking you can park approximately 4 vehicles comfortably. And this ensures, it also have that edge that ensures there's no issues with the drainage. You can see how the slant has been given to ensure that the water just slips away or drains away to all those type, and also the curb rows, they are done. Now I'm gonna start here on my right so that you can see how this house has been really done. You have this, I would call it green area. And I like how the owner has done it. He has this tree, so if as a buyer you could just have a setup or some shares here, then you just leave it like, it's like kind of a gazebo. But if you want to create a gazebo, you just have one there or just right there, and it creates that resting place that you can rest with your family. So this is the backyard of this house, as I told you earlier, and you can see it also gives an ample space. You could do even your kitchen garden. At the moment, there's still just grass and some tree, but you could add anything that you want because you have that ample space. Even some people would choose even to add an extra room here in case you would want your employee within the house to have a room here. So it's just an amazing, and I think it's one thing I would like to know, what do you feel about this house, especially the backyard and the front yard? So this is the entry porch of this house, another amazing. I like the tiles, how they have done it. And you can see it also gives some spaces where you can also, I don't know, maybe someone would try maybe park a car if you feel like you don't want the sunlight to burn your car. You could do this, and it also gives you an access to the main house through that door, which is also something that most people like when they have a quick access to the door just right there. But in our case, you're gonna enter direct to the main, to the living area. So you're gonna use this entry porch. This is the living area. And let's get in and get to see what this 4-bedroom maisonette with an extra room gives you. So this is a living area. You can see the modern, you can see the design they have done here. Then also you can see the lighting, just the ceiling, that's the ceiling lights. You can see how they have done. It's just look amazing. Then here comes the dining area. So this is the dining area of this house, and you can see it's just enough and spacious enough to fit even 8 people comfortably. That's the dining area. We have a pass-through window, then you have the modern kitchen right here. So this is the kitchen. So you have these amazing countertops, granite made, very sleek design. Then you have your lower cabinetry here, then your upper cabinetry, then you have this provision for the cooker as well as for the hood. So here is your pantry. For now, it's like a storeroom, so you don't have to open it, but there it is. Then here we have now the access to the backyard of the house. So also, yeah, there's a place for the fridge just right back there. So first we're gonna go to this first room or the guest room in this house. And as you can see, it's a spacious and it's well done. What I like about this developer is how he has done the windows. Same, you can see they are like corner windows, so actually you can see both sides. Like the hat one you see. Also, here you have your, that is your bathroom, that is your toilet, and is differentiated or separation with the bathroom. I like this. I haven't seen this in most, but in most bedrooms, that is, this one have made that separation, which makes this house unique. So let's go to this, I think the upper rooms right up there. So here, this is the first floor of this house, and we're gonna start with the extra room that I told you that you could use either as a gym room, an office. For me, I would use it as an office because you can see the lighting. Also, I like the balcony right there because it ensures that you can also have that. It also could be used as a family room where you get maybe a TV and you get that shareable balcony. So next, I will move to the room on the right. That is now the third room in this house. So this room gives us similar to the same idea as the guest room, same concept, same idea. What I like is the bathroom also done similar way, the windows, and also we have here the wardrobe. Well done, and I like the finishing up to the ceiling. So I think that's for this room. Now let's go to the fourth room in this house. So this is the fourth bedroom in this house. Similar design, the windows also done, corner windows, and everything here is done just to be amazing. So lastly, we're gonna have now the master bedroom. So this is a house where we have amazing, amazing space, and I can tell you, we just have one of the biggest master bedroom I've seen. So it doesn't have a balcony, but I can see that is complemented a lot with everything within this house. So first I'll show you this amazing wardrobe, because I feel the developer of this house has done an amazing job. As you can see how big they are, and you can see for the hanging clothes, and for the other side, you can also see it's just amazing. It's just big enough, spacious enough, and surely that is the king of this house as well. The queen of this house, they both have enough spaces to put their clothes within. So next thing I'll show you is the bathroom. It is also, I can say, it's one thing that the developer of the house has done quite a good job. So you can see how the separation it is through using the windows, and these are sliding windows. So you could see. So that's the bathroom side. Then we have the toilet side, and I like how they have done. And something else extra, the developer has added an extra wardrobe with inside the bathroom. This is amazing. So for those who have to do quick preparation, you can put some clothes there, something there. And also here you have your dressing table, as well. You could also place maybe a dressing mirror right there, and you get just a very nice time when using this house. Come at the end of this house tour, and as you can see, you can tell me if this house does really give that value of money. At 60 million, a kind of 5-bedroom, what would you say? So my name is Mago Geran, and this is Prime African Estate. See you in our next video.